Hey there, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can embed or add Google Maps to your WordPress posts or pages. So I'm using WordPress 4.7 now and the 2017 theme, and I think it will work with another theme as well. So let's get started. First, in 2017, I want to embed my map to my contact page. So this is my contact page, and by default 2017 have two columns, so you can have the page title on the left and the content of your page on the right side. And what I want to do is I want to have the contact page title on the top and then the content below the title. So what I can do, I can click on customize on the top if you are logged into your admin area, and if you have your admin toolbar is enabled, you will be able to click on customize button on the top. So let's click that. And with this button, we can see now the theme options of this 2017 theme. You see that if we click on theme options link, we will see we have two page layout options. First, we are now using the two column, and if I click on the one column, let's watch the page title and the content location. As you can see now that the page title is on the top and the content is below the page title, and this is the layout that I want for this video. So when I'm happy with this, I'm going to click on Save and Publish button and click the cross button to be out from the customizer. So let's say now I want to add the Google Maps after the second paragraph. The next step is, of course, we have to go to maps.google.com and hit enter. Now you do not have to log into your Gmail account or Google account, but in this video I'm accidentally already logged into my Google account, so that's also okay. And then let's start typing our address in this search Google Maps box. So let's say now I'm going to look for a Disney Springs, Orlando, Florida. So I'm just going to select that address, and now I see that there is my point, the address that I want to look for. Then in the left sidebar of Google Maps, when this video is created, you see that there is share button. You can look your code over here, or alternatively, you can click on the menu button there on the top, and you will see share or embed map link. When you click that, you will also have this dialog box, the same with the share. So in my personal opinion, I like to use this share button because it's fast and I can see it immediately after I look for my address in the maps. So let's click on the share button, and then I'm going to click on Embed Map tab, and now we see the preview of the Google Maps that you want to embed to our website. Make sure though, before embedding this map, you will read this Terms of Service page, and once you read that, then we can continue this step. You can also read that this map is built for you, so when you view this map on your site, you will see your saved place on the map. Your site's visitors won't see the saved places, they will see a map built for them only. So let's close that dialog box. You can also have the ability to save this destination as your favorite because you are logged into your account, or you can just click on directions to have the directions of this map. But at this moment, we want just to embed this map to our WordPress page. On the top, you also see the size of the Google Maps that you want to embed. So if you click on that arrow, you see the small. So this is the preview of the small dimension of Google Map. And we have medium that we've just seen earlier, or let's click on large. This is the large view of the Google Maps. Now what I would like to use is that the custom size. So let's click that and then click on custom size. Here we have full control of the width and then full control of the height. So to know about the width that exactly our theme has, you're going to need to go to your page again. And when you use Chrome, and I think with Firefox it's also the same, you can right click somewhere and then select on Inspect. This will open the Chrome Inspector tool. Then you can click on that arrow inspector button, and you see now you can hover somewhere where you want to inspect the width. So for now I want to add the maps inside my content area. And as you can see, as long as I hover it in the content area where the page title and the paragraphs of the content area are selected, you see that now I have the width of 740 on the top. So let me close the inspector again and go back to Google Maps. And the custom size, the width would be maximally 740. So let's say I want to put in 720, and then for the height would be 500. Now we can also click on preview actual size to preview. So this exact dimension of the map will be added in our website if we use the custom dimension option. So let's click that preview and say I want that map. So I just want to put my cursor somewhere in the this iframe code box, and it will select this code automatically, the whole code. What you can do after you have it selected, then you're going to right click and click on copy. Let's go to our contact page again, and then click on edit page there on the top, or you go to your dashboard and pages and then look the contact page area. Now let's click on edit button on the top, and we will see our post content here. Now make sure that you are on the text, so you have actually visual and text tab there. So we want to use the text tab, and then as I said earlier, I want to put my map below the second paragraph. So hit enter key one time, so we have space there, and then press your Command V to paste that, and then again hit your enter key one time, and you see that we have space and room, so we can see the code nicely here. Then we're going to click on preview changes button to see our map. Scroll down and we should see our map right here. So for this 2017 theme, the theme is designed to be mobile responsive, and I think WordPress themes these days mostly have responsive design. But to be sure that we have responsive maps in our responsive themes, we can click on customize button on the top if you use WordPress 4.7. Then right here on the left bottom of our screen, you see that we have three buttons over there. The first that is highlighted or active is that the desktop view of your website. Now we can check this or click this tablet view screen, and you see that this is your visitors, what they read or what they view of your website when they visit your site with tablet device. And as you can see that the map is sitting nicely and resized automatically on tablet devices. For cell phone or mobile phone, also the image is resized nicely on the user's cell phone devices. So as I mentioned earlier, most themes these days are responsive. And if you want to make sure that your theme is responsive, then you can click on these buttons to see whether your theme is responsive. So now let me go back to the desktop view again. And once we are happy with that, let's close our customizer and then go to our edited page again, and do not forget to click update button if you are happy with your change and your map. Click on update button. Now the page is updated. Let's click on view page. Let me close other tab, and we're going to scroll down, and now this is what your visitors see if they visit your contact page. So let's say now in a few weeks, for example, I want to resize my maps. I'm not happy with my maps anymore. You do not have to repeat the steps again in Google Maps, but what you can do here is click on edit page again, and then make sure again that you are on text tab and scroll down on your iframe code for the Google Maps. Right here you see the element for the width and then element for the height. Now here is what you're going to do. For the width changes, you can then modify the width dimensions over here. This is from pixels. So if you remember that we inspect the contact page dimensions, and it says it has 740. So let's type that 740, and for the height I want to modify it. Maybe I want to have it 600. I can click on preview changes to preview your changes, and it has 20 pixels more in the width and 100 pixels more in the height. So let's say now we are happy with that. Again, click on update button. So again, you can click on view page and we will have the same result. So the next thing that I want to show you is that let's go to Google Maps again and then close this dialog box. Now you can use directions. For example, you want to give your visitors the directions to your destination. So let's say this is your office and you want to give them directions. What you can do is click on that directions and you put the starting point of your directions Google Maps. Let's say now I want from this address, and this is my goal of my destination of my Google Map. So you see that now it has the icon over there. So now when you are happy with your directions of the map, you can now then click on that menu button. Now we can use the share or embed map from the sidebar. Click that and then let's preview actual size, and do not forget to put your width or your height, or choose any predefined dimensions over here on the drop down menu. Let's view actual size image, and as you can see now the maps with the directions will be embedded to our website. So I'm happy with this. I'm going to select this code, copy, and then go back again to my website post or pages, and then I'm going to put it here. This is just an example. Again, make some spaces that you see the code that you added, and then let's click on preview changes. And there is the other map with the directions in it. Now let's say I want to modify again the width, because we have the width of 740 on the first map, and I want to have the same width for all my maps. And then click on update button. Let's view our pages in the new tab. So there it is, our second maps. Now what I want to show you again is that you are able to embed some Google Street View pictures from your Google Maps. To do this, let's collapse the side panel. To do this, you see that in this right bottom of your screen, you have this Browse Street View Images icon, like little man icon. You can actually drag this with your mouse, and as soon as I drag it and move somewhere, you see the blue circles are now appearing on my screen. So what you can do is that you will choose that blue circles on your screen and then drop this to your Google Maps and watch what we get. So now you see that I have 3D pictures from Google Maps Street View that I can embed to my website. And this picture is a 3D. It's a nice picture. And you see that on the bottom of your screen, you see the pictures which is not 3D, that has the camera icon, and the one with 3D, it has this circle thing. So let's click on the pictures. You see that it's not 3D. This one it's not 3D. This one it's 3D. So for example, I like the first pictures that I see and I want to embed it to my website. So before you embedding though, you should see that this image may be subject to copyright. There is a notification there on our screen. Also, you see there on the top that this person has shoot these pictures and put it in Google Maps. What you want to do, probably if you want to embed it to your website, you probably want to contact this person if you are allowed to embed this picture to the copyright rights. And say that you've contacted him and you are able to embed this picture. What you're going to do is that click on that three dots icon, and then you see share or embed image options. Select on that and you will see now we are in the embed image again with the custom size. So again, Google Maps will immediately and automatically add the width of our previous map because we just used this custom size earlier. But for example, in a few weeks and your browser cache is clean, you will not see this again. So you can always repeat the steps here. So let's say I'm happy with this size and I want to preview actual size. And you see now we can see these pictures that we want to add to our website. So again, click somewhere in this box, right click, copy, and then go back to our contact page again, and then click on edit page, or you go to your dashboard. Make sure that you are on the text tab and scroll down, and I want to put it here, and then maybe I want to put some text. And then you're going to preview your changes again, scroll down, you will see the pictures. But now as you can see that this has the custom width of 720, sorry, and on the top is 740. Again, I can modify the width from here. Now click on preview changes again, and let's see our images. Yes, the images will be aligned nicely with our maps above. Now if I'm happy with this, do not forget to click the update button. So let's click on view page and then scroll down. Again, the image are there and it's 3D, you can move it around with your mouse. And I want now to see the mobile devices view for this image. So let's see the customize button again and scroll down, and then we want to click on tablet devices, and as you can see it fits nicely in your tablet device screen. Also in the mobile view, you see that it's also fit nicely. So that is how you can embed Google Maps with the variety of features from Google Maps to your WordPress posts and pages. And I think it was quite fast and easy, so you may not need plugin for this. And thank you so much for watching this video. If it was helpful for you, please like this video and share this video so it can help others. Take care of yourself and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.